Good morning, guys. Fourth day, yeah. Lada for all, yeah. Lada is the best car ever made. All right. T-Cat. Wonder if it could be a short today. All right. Maybe. Yeah, the float is low. EMC, I had to cover yesterday since it wasn't really marginable at all. Damn, this IMT, didn't I get stopped out of it like yesterday? Or 2 days ago? No, yesterday. Wait. No, I got stopped out of it. No, I got stopped out on it yesterday. And then it did this. Oh. Wait, YVR, isn't that the one I hate small caps. I will never in my life trade micro caps. You can't do size on them and they shake you out. It's horrible. But if you trade them right, it's free money. They all shook me out. I relonged AMAT yesterday, and I also bought LRCX. I'm also watching that MU. This sector is, it's relentlessly building higher lows, and the chip shortage is gonna last for a while. Reading every day about like auto manufacturers closing down plants because they don't have the chips, and and it's one of the strongest sectors. Oh no, this is too thin. Yeah, AMAT is a global leader. It's always good with global leaders. There's two types of stocks I like: frauds and global leaders. Those are the best. Those are the stocks that make the biggest moves in the stock market. I don't see anything I want to be aggressive at out of the gate. We'll see as the day goes on. I was thinking about TCAT short, but it feels like this thing wants to go to 100 first. Not sure. Anyway, I saw that UPSD yesterday from the EP. Not bad. VIAC, I'm not watching these things anymore. VIAC and the other one. I don't know. Growth generation, it needs time. It had an entry point here when it bounced off the 100. That was the last entry point. Now it needs more time. YVR. Okay. I guess I should keep those shares. Zikin. I would buy it on the dip. Well, actually I am buying it on the dip. It looks just like YVR looked yesterday. YVR, isn't that like 3 days old news? 1.8 million shares at 335. That's not news. Wow, the numbers on these China gaming streaming services are really not good. This is not what you want to see on a growth stock. Look at the numbers, it's a triple-digit EPS and revenue growth. And look at the revenue growth. Went from triple-digit to high double-digit to mid-double-digit, and now it's in the low double digits. And they actually had a loss. Went from having profits to losses. That's not a good thing. That's the opposite of what you want to see. I think this reflected in the price action too, to some extent. Yeah, I'll never buy small cap again. I can't even get filled on anything. Or well, actually micro cap. Can some of the big stocks wake up already? I'm so tired of these micro caps. It's like it's only Robinhood trading the market right now. Pen. Yeah, I like it. It's put back to the 50-day. It's building higher lows, relentless higher lows. Maybe in a few days. Yeah, in a few days, if it can stay like this, it's gonna be a really good setup. What's DraftKings doing? Not as good setup. Well, I guess if it can go sideways a few more days. Roku? No. Needs to reclaim the 20-day. If it can stay like this for a few days, would be great. Above the 100-day, tighten up a little bit, then it will be good. What's Snapchat doing? Pinterest. Okay. I don't want an adrenaline rush. I want to make real money. It's impossible to make any real money on these small ones. I can't get filled and I get shaken out and I have big slippage. QS. Yeah, it's good if it went sideways a little bit more, tightened up a little bit. It's gonna be a good setup here soon. The setup yesterday was so. It is building higher lows. And I don't think the battery and metal stocks are going away like I think it's gonna go on for a while. I'm also watching these ALB and SQM lithium names. They're both flagging nicely. Slower names, but Look at this ALB earnings breakout of this big flag. Look at what it did. The breakout back in early November. Was one of the first stocks to break out to multi-year highs after August to November correction, and went straight up 93%. BBIG, another NFT name? Oh, come on. I don't want any more of these. Can they just stop it? Can real money... Can't this MU break out? Okay, looks like the crypto trade is falling apart. One stock at a time, or one instrument at a time. Am I gonna get stopped out of GBC too? I got stopped out of CAN yesterday. Gave back a lot of profits. Holy, I didn't... This thing went down 42% from the highs. I guess I should have used a 10-day as my trailing stop. That's the problem with this. The second you start using the 10-day, it's gonna close under the 10-day, then stop you out, and then it's gonna go straight up. The second you decide to use the 20-day, you wish you had used the 10-day. There's a reason why 99% of traders don't make it, because it's such a mindfuck. Trading will be the biggest mindfuck you will ever encounter in your lives. And the best traders are the ones who handle getting fucked the best. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out of this MSTR too. Your girlfriend takes the medal for best mindfuck? Well then, trading should be easy. Oh, you guys are hilarious. What is this DLPM and BNTC? Are they NFT related too? RKT. I don't know. I don't know. I don't. Nah. I don't know. I don't see anything here. It looks too random. I don't like that. For example, this ARK ETF, ARKK. You know, they keep getting rejected on their declining 20-day moving averages. Look at NIO, same thing. Tesla, same thing. It's a lot of the, well, I would say a lot of the former leading stocks. Now we do have some new leading sectors, but it's just not like Roku too, below the declining 20. I don't like that. Like if all of those things take a leg lower, it's not gonna be good for the market if there's not enough other sectors that take the leadership flag. Right now I don't see it. Biotechs, yeah, they're kind of weak. Well, they're still inside our range. It's too early to tell. Yeah, I still think, yeah, patience is still very important. Can't just jump in on stuff left and right, unless it's an NFT. Is there a symbol NFT? No, NFTI. NFT. That would be crazy if there was like a small cap with the NFT symbol. They should put out an NFT PR. Yeah, there's several ways you can do it. You can be quicker at taking profits if you want to. Like, I don't generally recommend it. I think it's better to trade less than to alter the trading style, because it's gonna fuck you up. Because once we get into good times again, you're gonna regret you selling everything too early. And it's gonna be a double mindfuck. Trading is a big mindfuck already. Altering your trading style is, you know, it's just gonna make things harder, in my opinion. I think it's a better exercise just developing patience. Yeah, we need a global leader in NFTs. DLPN. No, it's on up 171% from yesterday, not 300%. Yeah, a lot of people have a huge tax bill. Do you know what's worse than a huge tax bill? It's when you make a lot of money in 2020 and get it, and then when the time comes to pay that bill in 2021, but you lose a lot of money in the markets and you don't have that money to pay the tax bill. That can't be fun. So be careful. UPSD? No, not really. I think, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I don't have a lot of size. I still have like, I still have a little bit more than half size, but it wasn't like I didn't have that huge size to begin with. So I still hope it goes to 200 or something. I think I guess I'm gonna use like the 20-day. Once it catches up to my stop level, then I'll start trailing it with a 20-day. Yeah, it happened to a lot of people in 2019. They made a lot of money in 99 and the early 2000, and the market crashed, or Nasdaq crashed. And I don't know when in the United States when the tax bill is due. Is it during the spring or something? Summer? For me in Sweden it's during the fall, like or early winter even. April, oh, May, April. Okay, so in the spring. That's what happened to a lot of people also on the last crypto run when Bitcoin went crazy in 2017, and then in early 2018 it crashed. Like in 2018 it went down like 70% or something, and a lot of people that had made a bunch of money on the way up they lost it on the way down, but they still had the tax bill to pay. That sucks, man. Yeah, it's better to not have any taxes. Pro tip. What a dumbass. Hey David, you're so nice to your friends. You're calling your friends a dumbass. They will never get you alive. Lululemon, let's see. Nothing, I don't see anything here. No, really nothing. I don't see anything. Too random. I think Lululemon had a couple of good episodic pivots a few years back. Yes, it did. Yeah. Like in 2018, it had a couple of EPs, but it's a tricky one. Baidu, yeah, I don't, yeah. What's Beely doing? Let's see. Okay, yeah. I would like to see a real washout. I've been talking about this undercut of the 200 day. Get a real washout. I'm so annoyed that it bounced here on the 100 day. Would have been nice if it had this had happened here. Then we would have get an insane bounce rally. Now it was just so. This SI is a very strong crypto name. This thing is not going away. Many of the others are. How was HOFV and EP on? Because it was being pumped as a HFT, NFT play. And it was up like, well, 10% plus, and it had big volume. Perfect EP. Unfortunately, I didn't buy enough because it's a micro cap. And also cruise lines. I had these things on watch, like CCL, RCL, and now they're fading. It's just things like the large caps can't get going. Like NFT is pretty much the only game in town right now. Hey David, can I be your dumbass friend? How do you develop patience? It's part experience, because once you get fucked on enough mediocre setups in not the optimal market conditions, you'll kind of, enough is enough. And it's also partly, like having a balanced lifestyle, I guess, having other things to do than trading. Just going away and just doing something else. Because it's not productive sitting and looking at the screens like non-stop for like 7-8 hours. Unless you're like studying past setups, that's what you should be doing. Especially like, after the first few hours after the open, that then usually things, doesn't matter if you're a swing trader or day trader, there are fewer things to do. But studying is always a good idea. Well, when I say balanced lifestyle, I mean like drinking a lot of energy drink and sitting in 16 hours per day in front of the computer. So it's a balance in a sense that you're sitting for 16 hours and lying down for 8 hours. So you get a little bit of both worlds. Yeah, and you can balance in your share. Yep, you can do that too. Yeah. Oh man, these things are now finally... Why are they down? Why are these things down? Man, I'm so tempted shorting it, but no. The second I short it, it's gonna rally back. Downgrade suffering. Oh. Yeah. The only money... Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea to take some money out, especially if you're still a new trader and, barely standing on your two legs. If you make money, realize it's mostly due to luck than due to skill. Take some money off for taxes. TCAT, I'm not gonna touch it unless it gets below VWAP. The expensive was super expensive. Oh, it's not even that liquid. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. Glare resistance. I don't have glare on my screens. Or wait, what's glare? What does it even mean? Glare? No, I don't wear any glasses. Blue light, glass reflection. Guys, pro tip. Never ever buy a computer monitor with a glossy screen. Especially if you sit at a window. If you sit in a basement, mom's basement like I do, it doesn't matter. But especially if you work at a window, glossy is not a good idea. Yeah. And also get a blue light filter to your computer. It's built in I think in both Apple and definitely Windows. It's built in, but there's also like Flux. I've been using this for like 6-7 years. Especially when the sun goes down. Not that it matters in the basement. It's always dark, but it's so much better on the eyes. Yeah, that's one of the It's too bad you can't get a MacBook with a matte screen. I really hate glossy screens so much. They're horrible. Soon as it gets like there's sun, you can't see anything, even if it's a really bright screen. Because my mom has me locked in the basement. I only get 10 minutes of sunlight per day. Hmm. Yeah, VYG VF. I wish I bought it like 300% ago when I found it. But again, microcap. I'm in a process of opening up an account, a fourth account, where I'll just do like smaller stocks that have a really explosive potential, like triple-digit growth. Uh, yeah, apps. I have 1/5 size. I wanted 50,000 shares. I got filled on 10, and now it's going. Of course, that's the one that's going. And AMAT, LRCX, these ones are not doing anything. The ones I have full size in, I love it. Trading is so. It's yeah. I can't wait until my tax bill comes. It will make my account smaller. It will be easier to trade. It's gonna be so much easier to make money with a smaller account. Do you only pay taxes once per year? Yes. AY Road, there's nothing here. My mic is dead? No, but your hearing maybe. There was actually one of the biggest news shows in Sweden contacted me this morning. They want to do a segment on the rising popularity of day trading. It's on the biggest channel, prime time. I think I'll pass. I've had a lot of attention lately. I don't want to catch the wrong attention. Is day trading dying? Day trading is the hottest it's been for like 20 years. Is day trading dying? No. I said on the rising popularity of day trading. Oh, by the way, I need to answer the guy. There was a boomer. All right. I said no. It would be fun, but there are other things I have to think about, unfortunately. HEQ, yeah. Oh, silver is starting to break down too. Gold already broke down like a few months ago. Yeah, I just don't feel like trading TCAT. I'm lazy. There's probably a good setup there, but I don't know. I have no desire to trade right now. This OGI is gonna stop me out too. Ugh. Also, the weed names I was watching, they're also breaking down now from the potential flag. APHA, Tilray, MJ, DTF. Not good, not great, man. It's not good. Not a great sign. You want stock after stock, sector after sector to break out, not break down. That's not what you want to see. You want breakouts. You want to see breakouts in one sector, and then you see breakouts in another sector, and then in another. Right now, what we are seeing is the opposite. We got the bounce. We saw some potential flags, and they're starting to break down one by one, sector after sector. That's not what you want to see. You want to see the opposite. SCR, I don't know, nothing special here. But also remember, things can change very fast. There's still a lot of potential setups. Well, not a lot, but some. So, we'll see. Things can change fast. You can never really leave the market. You always have to stalk the market because, you know, things can look like shit one day, and then 2 days later you have massive breakouts all over the place. can never really take a vacation. Always have to stalk. Sean Carter said going to all cash occasionally. It's like, who is Sean Carter? It's an indicator say smell? Okay, all I need to know. But even though it's true, going to all cash occasionally is like a spa treatment for a trader. That's actually really good. I like that. That's a good analogy. Or well, actually, I don't know. Anyone who's been to a spa, you'll know that after 15 minutes you want to blow your head off because it's that boring. But I get it, like if you're one of these people that like going to spas. The elevator music and smell of old people. Yes, I agree. Okay, I tried some starter size on CCAT. No, sorry, CCAT. TCAT. Just because I'm so bored. And it's actually a pretty decent short setup. If it gets back closer to VWAP, I'll add more. I mean like quarter size right now. Not a conviction play. Or well, actually it's a pretty good one, but I'm just not feeling it right now. And that's starting to fade. And AMAT is fading, and LRCX is fading, and they are all fading, and blah 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 blah. Yes, CI had an EP yesterday on that analyst upgrade. It also broke out of this nice triangle, but it's too thin for me, so I totally ignored it. Tesla on the short side, yeah, yep. I don't think today, but if it tightens up a little bit here, it's really tight. It needs to tighten up a bit more. It could be, yeah. It's relentlessly building lower highs. Same thing with NIO. So NIO can't get the air above the 20-day, the declining 20-day. Google, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is strong. It is strong. Oh man, AMC, no. It was only shortable to one of my accounts, but it wasn't marginable, so I had to cover it before the close. Oh, I wish I was still short. Okay. Oh, MSTR is gonna stop me out. Oh well, getting stopped out of stocks one by another. Not good. Not good. Did I wick MSTR? No, I didn't. Only a little bit. Okay, yeah, well, only a little bit. Only a little bit. Only a little bit. Oh, UPST. Well, I guess I got filled on Sikin now, this dump. Alright, alright. Got stopped out of 3 of my oldest holdings now. GBTC, UGI and MSTR. One after another. They're failing. Oh, small caps are the weakest sector. They've been leading for this whole bull run from early November, and now they're weak. Now they're the weakest. Interesting. Hope we will get a nice little flush on Russell down to the at least 100 day, preferably 150. Maybe even 200 would be nice. Get the excessive bullishness out. Like really, like. We can't have a nice rally before that. There's been just. Need to get a real flush. This guy. Yeah. Holding the gap down very well so far. Small caps, I guess pretty much everything below 3-4 billion market cap. Generally, there's no like hard rule for it. There's been some market cap expansion the past few, especially the past 2-3 years. I don't think this is the market to be aggressive, that's all I'm gonna say. At least not on if you're a swing trader. My target is like usual on the parabolic shorts. short TCAT, long Zikin, you don't get it? Well, look at the charts and you will get it. TCAT is a parabolic and Zikin is flagging on the 60-minute. Who cares why crude oil prices are tanking? That's irrelevant. The question is, are there setups you can make money off of? That's all we need to care about. And the prices are not tanking. It's just down slightly on the day. After a big run. Maybe TCAT ruins it for all the other plays, maybe not. Or maybe people just realize, hey, wait, this TCAT is up. Wait, what, how much? 2000% in 2 weeks on no NFT PR. While Zikin is up 100% in 2 weeks on a NFT PR, and they're gonna rotate their money into Zikin. Maybe that happens. I don't know. I trade the setups. You think work from home may be becoming more of a thing than anticipated by the market? Isn't the work from home thing already like an old theme? I don't know. There's a lot of opinions, but no setups. I'd rather have more setups and less opinions. Everyone has an opinion, but only setups will make you money. I don't know. What's MU doing? MU, no. Hopefully it can hold the higher low. I was getting excited about this thing. I was streaming about buying 25,000 shares. No, sorry, 250,000 shares of this thing. And it would go up to 150. Surfing the 10 day. All the way up to $150. No. But the LRCX is holding up, and the AMAT is holding up, for now at least. Nvidia undercut the 200 day and reclaimed, and now it's back into the range. And it's in a big flag on the weekly. Doesn't, if it can break out of from here, it can make a big move higher. Oh, did IMP do an intraday offering? Nice. Hopefully it will build a higher low and we get a little bit of a base on the 60 minute and the daily. Should I buy more Seekin? It is a fraud, probably. Which means it's gonna go up. Yeah. Where do we find out what did intraday offerings? I just saw it on Twitter. Yeah, a Chinese steel company going into blockchain and the NFT. Super legit. It's not like they're trying to get rich off naive US investors. No, it's nothing like that. It's a legit company. They're doing steel NFTs. They're doing physical NFTs. Well, there's a legit way of doing NFTs and there's a not legit way of doing NFTs. I don't think China fraud is a legit way of doing NFTs. Or is it a fraud? Not sure. No idea. Let's see, TCAT is the VWAP again. If it fails on VWAP, maybe I'll add more. All right, I'm gonna listen to a podcast. So I cut the stream. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.